आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have the area bounded by the curves y equals to x into x minus 3 square and y equals to x is what? So first of all we have curve as y equals to x into x minus 3 whole square, and the second is a straight line, that is y equals to x. Now if I draw this curve on my axis, then we'll get some kind of a good way to solve this question. So first of all, if I put x equals to 0, the value of y will also be 0. Now if I put x equals to 3, the value of y, now let this as 1, 2 and this as 3. So this is again 3. Now if more than 3 value, suppose you have put 4. So you will see an increase in the value of y and something goes like this. Now in between 0 to 3, this value will goes like this, and from 0 less than 0 we have something like that, right? So this is the curve of what? Y equals to x into x minus 3 whole square. Now if I talk about the equation of a line that passes through origin, y equals to x, and this will something like this, right? This will go something like this, and we need to find that area. We need to find which area? We need to find that area. This area we need to find, right? Now before finding that area, we need to find this point and this point of intersection we need to find. Now it is obviously clear from the graph that this point is 2, but somehow let's solve this. So we have y equals to x, so I'm going to write as x into x minus 3 whole square equals to x. Now if I take x on that side and taking x common, we have x minus 3 whole square minus 1 equals to 0. Now the value of x is 0, or x minus 3 whole square equals to minus 1. X minus 3 whole square equals to 1. So from here we can say that x minus 3 equals to plus minus 1. Now if I put plus 1, then the value of x is 4, and if I put minus 1, then the value of x is 2. So this value is 2 as it is expected, and this is 4, right? Now I am going to take the limit from 0 to 2, and from here I am going to subtract upper curve and lower curve. So I am going to subtract lower curve from upper curve. So my area will be given by 0 to 2 integration. Now upper curve is the equation of curve, and we have x into x minus 3 whole square minus line, that is minus x dx. Next we have 2 to 4, limit as 2 to 4, and we have upper curve as straight line and lower curve as our equation of curve. So we have to subtract curve from straight of line. So I can write it as x minus x into x minus 3 whole square dx, right? Now what we do here is, first of all let's separate this, and we'll get 0 to 2 x. Now if I solve this, I'll get x square plus 9 minus 6x, and we have minus x integration as x square by 2 with limit 0 to 2. Same as from here we have x square by 2 limit 2 to 4, and we have integration 2 to 4 x minus x into, not minus, x into x minus 3 whole square. So we have x square plus 9 minus 6x into dx, right? Now if I put this value, if I solve this, we get 0 to 2, we have x cube plus 9x minus 6x square dx, and same as for this, same as for the last integration also, 2 to the power 4 x cube plus 9x minus 6x square dx. Now this got subtracted by, if I put the upper limit here, we have 4 by 2, that is 2, and if you put 0 you will get 0. Next, if I put 4 square 16 by 2, that is 8, minus 4 by 2, that is 2. So we have, finally we have, if I integrate this, we have x to the power 4 by 4 plus 9x square by 2 minus 6x cube by 3, that is 2x cube, with limit 0 to 2. Same as for this side also, x to the power 4 by 4 plus 9x square by 2 minus 2x cube with limit 4 to 2. And here we have minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 plus 8, that is plus 4, right? So if I put the upper limit here, we have 2 to the power 4, 16 by 4, that is 4, 2 square 4 by 2, that is 2 into 9, 18, minus 2 cube 8 into 2, 16. Now if I put lower limit here, minus, then we get 0, because if you put 0 in place of x, you will get 0 here. Now if I put 4 here, then we have 4 to the power 3, that is 64, plus 4 square 16, 16 by 2 is 8, 8 into 9, 72, minus 64 into 2, 128. Now we have to put the lower limit here. Now if I put 2 here, we have 2 to the power 16, 16 by 4 is 4, plus that is 4 by 2, 2 into 9, 18, minus 2 to the power 16 and plus 4 we have. Now if I solve this, I'll get, this is 22 and this is 16. So we get 6 minus, now we have here as, this will be minus 64 plus 72, or you can say 72 minus 64. Now we have 22 minus 16, that is minus 6 plus 4. Now 6 will get cancelled out and we have our answer as, this is 72 minus 64, that is 8, minus 8 and plus 4. Now area is in the mod, so my final answer is 4 square units. So here my answer is what? 4 square units. So the answer is 4 square units. This is my answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।